Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today we will make a sketch with Chinese ink. And I want to thank our sponsor Appeals. This is a solid bar of ink, so if we scrub it a little bit with water, we will have what we need. And I'll use this oriental brush. As we will sketch a hooded young woman, we will begin with the shape of the hood. One thing I really like about preparing the ink is that you can make it very light, like right now for the first stage of the sketch, but if you keep adding more ink, of course, it will get darker and darker. With this, we paint some of the features, like the eyebrows, the eyes, the nostrils, and the mouth. Everything lightly. From the chin, then we can draw the jaw and the shape of the face. We may add some shading as well, and then we draw the top of the hood. And I darken my ink mix slightly to reinforce some shading. With this darker ink, let's do more and more detail. The first light layer helps us as a good guideline, but if we need to change some lines, it's okay, it practically won't show. It is very forgiving, that is why I do it. While we keep drawing, I want to talk to you about Appeals, which, as you probably know, is an artist-friendly brand that makes unique fabric decals, that is, stickers, that can be applied to your phone, water bottle, or practically any surface. And by the way, now I put my fountain pen out to reinforce the line of the most important features and to add fine detail. The Appeals Special Adhesive allows you to stick it, remove it, and reuse it again and again. You may have seen in a prior video that I designed a sticker with my own art, which was pretty fun, at appeals.com, and well, now I received my package, which I want to show it to you. But first, let me try how it would look adding some gold with this marker to fill in her ornament. We test it here to make sure it will not drip, and then we use it. And after we check out the package, we will work a little bit more on the drawing. Okay, good. This is the envelope and let's see what's inside. Wow, it looks awesome. It is just like the original. And they sent me a whole bunch of them, which I will be able to stick everywhere. Very helpful. Let's see what else. Oh, that's great. I really want to stick them on my car, because that would be an awesome publicity. And some goodies. Very nice. And this is really easy to do. This will be like having my own moving billboard. You can get your own with the link below. International shipping is coming soon. I placed this other one behind, above the plate, but since we can easily remove it and reuse it, let's test it on the side. That's nice too. I'm so happy. Thank you, Appeals. And now let's go back to the drawing. Let's reinforce some of the shading. We do this with hatching and cross hatching. I'm using a fine nib. And by the way, if you want to become an Appeals creator yourself, you can apply through their website. and get paid when designs with your art are sold. Now, as the final touches for this drawing, we will add some falling leaves. I think that will make it more interesting, more attractive, more mysterious maybe, and with more movement and life. All that. And if you made it all the way to this point, I would love to know it. Please in the comments write me the secret code, the last falling leaf. And it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, subscribe to Fine Art Tips if you haven't done so already, don't forget to visit Appeals with the link below, and I will see you with more creations on Tuesday.